Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, yesterday was a wonderful day. Bank Nifty, we had many events, though we had got our perfect entry and targets have been hit. So now yesterday night around 1:30 AM I have given one update also. So what was the update? So earlier we will be having only these lines, right? Top side 3 lines, bottom side 3 lines, and mid side there will be one line. So now I have extended the targets. Now if the second zone, this zone is broken, if this buy zone is broken, then what will be the next support? This will be the next support. If that also broken, what will be the support? This will be the support. If this also broken, what will be the support? So here I have added, okay, in the IIT 6 and 7, 6, 7, 8 I have added. See here, target 1, MST target 1. So now the extended lines will be coming. So target 1, target 2 and target 3. Simultaneously you can add here also target 1, target 2. This is to know the next levels. See, our indicator basically follows two methods. One is support and resistance, and another concept is kabaddi game. So now most of you asked why you are showing only in Bank Nifty, Crudeoil, copper, natural gas and all. Why don't you show some stocks? We have not shown any stocks, means you have not watched our videos properly. I have released the video almost in all the stocks like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Tata Steel and Maruti. Many stocks we have released. Now I thought today we will show about the Bajaj, right? So let us see what has happened in Bajaj. See here also we got one perfect entry. Here sell entry, here buy entry, here buy entry, here buy entry, targets hit. And yesterday in Bajaj also we have got a perfect entry. See here, this was our default. I am keeping in default. Coming here to the indicator settings and keep it in default settings. So now perfectly our sell got activated here and all the targets hit. Okay, once sell activated, remove the buy. Once buy activated, remove the sell. So hope it is clear, right? How to enable now? Go to the indicator settings, remove the buy, enable the sell targets. If you want, you can keep this, otherwise you can remove. It is up to you, right? Nobody will force you. It is up to you, whichever you want to keep, which and all you want to remove. See here, perfectly all the targets have been hit. It is almost to fall today also. If today market is falling, so this will be the support. So whenever some lines are not touched in the market, you can put one line manually and you can extend that line for next day or next week, next month also. So always it is valid. It is like a virgin CPR. So Bajaj is over. What about yesterday in Bajaj? See, previous day also perfectly we got the buy entry. So market came down, but here it took the support and perfectly all the targets hit. And previous day also here market has reversed perfectly from here and we got the target. And here if we look into this candlestick pattern, it is showing you very clearly the R3C formation. So along with this tool, if you are making how the R3C is being formed, you will be in a better position. So my suggestion is you have to start with a small capital, but work on consistency more than accuracy. Once you build up the consistency and confidence within you, you can slowly add more fund. So I would like to make you people to make mistakes, but I don't want you people to make expensive mistake. Okay, so without knowing the market, if you are making mistakes, you will have to pay for it, and the expense will be very high that you will never get it back. So that is why we are humbly telling you people, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Also, if you are willing to subscribe to our indicator, you can go ahead. This will be a profitable tool for you, and it will guide you for your entire life. Okay, we are giving on a lifetime basis, so it will be a supporting tool for your entire life. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty. Steady, yeah, this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, right? So whenever we see such a candle, this Bahubali candle, what I have told you, we have to wait for the market to go little further. We have to wait for the market to go little further, right? This candle is an indication, and yesterday we all know in advance that there are many events. Yesterday there were many events, so what we could have done is just extend the market to a little more. So it was a D by default, just extend to 3D, and see, we have got the entry perfectly. Also we have got the R3C pattern. So now we got double advantage and double confirmation that market is going to fall drastically from here. Within 15 minutes candle, all the targets have been hit. So again it took support from here, it has reached our midpoint. Once again it is stuck inside our support zone. So only if the market is coming beyond this level 44,428 or going upside 44,566, so market will see the trend reversal. Otherwise it will be in a same condition. So now what else we have added? We all know already we have added one I trend and a P trend. So same thing. So P trend shows you the positional trend of the market. What is the positional trend? See here, I-86. This is the positional. Where is the I-88 here? This point, this one, 45,084. Only if the market is going above 45,084, market will be in a buy trend. So till then it will go upside and it will fall down. It will go upside and it will fall down. So sell on high only, Bank Nifty is there. So all these are possible when you practice support and resistance, breakout and R3C. So just by having this tool, you can build your own method. So when you are building your own method, no one can beat you. Just practice it. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. And not only Bank Nifty or some other script, almost all the scripts we are in a profit. And what about the gold also we are interested, right? So let me see what has happened in the gold. What is this? What has come? Grasim Industries. Okay, let us see what has happened. Grasim. See perfectly. Day before yesterday also buy activated target hit. Yesterday also sell activated target hit. So this is really a magical tool. Okay, you will never get such a beautiful entry anywhere. So see, HDFC also we have got a perfect entry. From day before yesterday it is in sell. perfectly we got yesterday sell. So I told you we could extend the line. Where is the gold? I'm searching. This is the gold features. Yeah, see the gold. So for gold, since the movement is very high and the price also very high, what you have to do, we have to keep in very tiny SL. So what happened here? Perfectly buy activated, it has reached the sell entry. Again it is perfectly sell activated, again it has reached the all the targets. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Okay, and if you find any R3C pattern, then you can go ahead, and if you are confident that it will give you profit, then also you can go ahead. So here also we got one R3C pattern, here also we have got one R3C pattern. And Tata Steel, actually I am interested in Tata products. Where is Tata? Here you go. This is Tata. See in Tata what happened. So since it is just 3-digit stock, we have to keep a little big stop loss. You can keep normal stop loss. See what happened. Previous day the low was 117. From there our buy got activated. It has reached our next support zone, next supply zone. Then yesterday sell got activated, we got the target. So these are very small stocks. You can take some 500 share or 1000 share, you can book 1 or 2 points for 1000 to 2000 rupees profit. But thing is, you have to trust the system, you have to be patient, you have to maintain your risk management, and you are supposed to aim for the consistency. Don't be scared after having entered into market. Don't put your hard earned money, and don't take debit from the people for trading. Don't keep any jewels in the bank to trade. It will not yield you money. Only if you are having excessive money, come to this trading system. Otherwise, please refrain yourself from the trading. So it is not possible to succeed. So I can keep on showing you many scripts, because in all the scripts we are in a profit. All the scripts. Reliance, if we take, we will be in a profit. I don't know what happened in Reliance, but just I want to show you. See perfection. See the perfection. Buy activated, targets hit. Here yesterday perfectly buy activated, all the targets hit. What else you want? What else you want? So we cannot imagine such a software in your lifetime, and we are giving you with the lifetime validity. Buy activated, targets hit. Buy to sell, right? So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We are ready to help you. Please do not ask for any trial 1 or 2 days or 1 month. We are not going to offer you. So minimum plan starts from 3 months, and till this August 15 we are giving you extra validity at the same price. Extra validity at the same price. You can save maximum amount if you are subscribing before August 15. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.